We'll guide you through how to use VSCode Copilot effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Make sure you've installed the Copilot extension from the VS Code Marketplace. Once installed, you'll need to sign in with your GitHub account, as Copilot requires authentication to work. After signing in, open a file where you want to code. Let's say you're working on a JavaScript project. Start typing a comment or a function name, and you'll notice Copilot suggesting code snippets in a gray font. These suggestions appear as you type, offering code completions based on the context. You can cycle through the suggestions using the arrow keys on your keyboard. If you find a suggestion you like, simply press Tab to accept it and insert it into your code. If you want to see more suggestions, you can press Ctrl+Enter to open the Copilot panel, which gives you a list of alternative suggestions. You can also customize Copilot's behavior in the settings by going to the settings icon in the bottom left corner, selecting Extensions, and then choosing Copilot. Here, you can adjust features like enabling or disabling Copilot for certain languages. Remember, Copilot is great for speeding up your workflow, but it's important to review the code it generates to ensure it meets your requirements. With practice, you'll find Copilot to be an invaluable tool in your coding toolbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.